There are four great major feasts in Jerusalem, and one of which is the Feast of the Passover. And just like our Filipino traditions on certain great occasions, we celebrate this Feast of the Passover is being celebrated, of course, with feasting. Pinaka doon nga imahe or analogy nga magamit nako kana bitang tradition nato sa Pasko, Noche Buena, Christmas. I would always remember my mother pag December 24, Noche Buena, ato tanan sa balay. Unya, pag abot o Noche Buena sa December 31, katong mga minyo halapa uli sa balay at aron at maabtan sa New Year. Feasting the graces of God's goodness we receive. But what is quite significant in this celebration of feasting in the Old Testament is that the father sitting at the head of the table before the start of the meal would recount how God saved His people. Kada bitang naatay atong ihinumduman ang nangagi unya sa atong perspektibo karon, it brings new light and meaning and significance, be it a success story or a failure one, or even achievements or mistakes. But when they are brought to light at the present story, there is that sense of enlightenment. There is that sense of transcendence that we are able to see beyond why are those things are happening, why God allowed us to experience. So that this is the narrative of the Father telling and remembering. If we can refresh our story of Moses, how God asked Moses to lead in leading his people to be freed from the slavery of Egypt. He went to Pharaoh 7 times, and God said, I will make Pharaoh's head stubborn, so that on the 7th day there is the famous